I still have my 4-month-old mini twist in. See, I got a little bit of matting in that area. Hi Share Babes, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Ayana and you want to go ahead, press that subscribe button and that notification bell next to it so you will not miss NT videos from me. Alright, so let's go ahead and get into today's video. I am here to do another wash day. I still have my 4-month-old mini twist in, so we're going to go ahead and do a little wash day retwist today because it's definitely needed. It's definitely needed. For the last couple of weeks, I've actually had my mini twist just braided up underneath my wigs, so it has not really been moisturized like how it should have been moisturized. But first, I'm gonna just start off by taking all of these bobby pins out of my hair, and then I'm gonna drench my hair down with some water, spray it down with some water before I even unbraid the twist. I have my spray bottle here. It just has some warm water in it, and I'm just gonna drench these twists down in some water, because I'm trying to reduce or minimize at least any type of breakage because I know my hair is dry. And girl, I honestly cannot believe that I've had these mini twists in since November, girl. Like, what? I'm not gonna lie though, I really do miss my fro, so she will be making an appearance very, very soon. I think my hair is good and saturated with water, so I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling these braids before I start washing. And I'm still gonna be very, very gentle doing this because like I said, I was slacking with my moisture routine these last couple of weeks, okay? All right, all of my twists are unbraided. I'm gonna go back in with a little bit of water, drench her down. And I try and do my wash days at least once a month or every 3 weeks, so I can also have the opportunity to retwist the twist. So I've literally had these same exact sections in since November, so I've had them in for 4 months. Ooh, I just need to do a little scalp massage because girl, the scalp itching. All right, now that all of the twists are unbraided, we are heading over to the sink to start this wash day because my scalp is it. Let's jump into this wash day. First thing first, I decided to use my Sacred clarifying shampoo because I love the nozzle on it and my scalp was itching, okay? It had some buildup on it, so I know I needed to clarify my scalp really, really badly. So I did use that first, but I did not have a lot of it to the point where I couldn't use it a second time, so I just used the rest of it for this first shampoo. I made sure to work this in really, really good, scrub my scalp really, really good because I really wanted to make sure I got all the buildup off of my scalp. Like I said, I only had a little in here, so once I was done with that first shampoo, I rinsed it out and then I followed up with the second and third shampoo with the TGIM Rose Water Hydrating Shampoo. This is one of my favorite shampoos. I love the lather on it and all that good stuff. So I did use this twice after the Sacred, so in total I shampooed 3 times. And I made sure to really focus this on my scalp and my hair because I wanted to make sure everything was 100% clean and spotless, okay? So my hair is completely clean. It feels so much better. So this is what my hair is looking like before I go in with a deep conditioner. And I'm actually going to go ahead and separate my hair into sections. And then I'm gonna just throw on my plastic cap just to keep that hair moist while I work on each section one at a time. I'm going to be using the Fenty Hair, the Richer One Moisture Repair Deep Conditioner today. And I'm just going to take a good amount of that and apply that to the whole entire section. And I make sure to squeeze my conditioner into the hair since it is twisted up. And then I also take a little bit more and apply straight to the ends. When I do my mini twist wash days, I try and incorporate a lot of hydrating products and strengthening products because my hair is twisted up. I make sure to work the deep conditioner in really, really good, squeezing it through the hair. And then once I'm done applying the deep conditioner, twist it up on itself and then to knot it out the way. Boom. I'm gonna do the same exact thing, applying a good amount of deep conditioner to the section, making sure I'm putting some on my edges, and then squeezing it through this twist, and then applying extra to the ends. Once I'm done applying that deep conditioner all over, I'm gonna just twist my hair onto itself and then do a little band to knot. Keep it out of the way. So I just finished putting the deep conditioner all over my hair. I'm gonna allow this to sit in my hair for about 20-25 minutes. Believe me or not, but my deep conditioner cap, it exploded in the microwave, so we're just gonna let it sit in the hair for right now, okay? So I'm gonna let this sit in my hair for about 20-25 minutes, rinse this out, and we'll be back. All right, after allowing this deep conditioner to sit in my hair for about 25 to 30 minutes, I'll go ahead and rinse it out. I'm using cool to warm water to rinse my deep conditioner out right now. Alrighty, so I am officially done with my wash day. So now I need to move on to moisturizing this hair and retwisting each single mini twist. This is the most tedious part and my least favorite part about this routine is the retwist, because it do take a little while. It really do. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my hair in my usual sections, flipping everything out of the way, and then I'm gonna use my plastic cap to make sure my hair stays damp. I'm first going to go in with the As I Am rosemary water, and I'm just going to spritz that all over the section and massaging that into the scalp as well. I love using this rosemary water anyway because it helps soothe my scalp when it's itching really bad. After the rosemary water, I'm going to go in with the leave-in today. I'm going to be using the Sienna Naturals Do Magic leave-in. I literally only have a corner left in here, so we gonna have to make it work. I like to use this leave-in conditioner, especially on my mini twist when I'm retwisting, because you can tell when the sections start like matting up on each other and they start sticking to each other. So this actually helps me detangle those sections really easily. This leave-in conditioner has a good enough slip in it. All right, so I just retwisted one of these mini twists, and I can see I got a little bit of matting in that area. So I'm going to use a little bit of the Sienna Naturals leave-in conditioner and just apply that all over the section, but focusing most of it where there's a little bit of tangles going on, okay? So it can just slip right out. Do a little bit of finger detangling. And while I'm working the leave-in conditioner in, I'm also just gently taking the shed hair out. And then I'm gonna follow up with my hair cream. I'm gonna be using the TGIN Buttercream Daily Moisturizer, which is one of my favorites. I actually tried this for the first time on my mini twist retwist, and it did a really good job of keeping my hair hydrated. So I'm gonna apply that to the whole entire section, and then I'm gonna follow up with an oil. So I'm just applying a little bit of that to this section before I start brushing it out. I just want to make sure the sections are extremely hydrated, moisturized, loosened up before I go in with a brush. I like to use a detangling tool when I detangle my hair because it helps get all the shed hair out. And like I said, this is the most tedious part, is the retwist, because I have to do these steps on each single twist before I twist it back up. But I feel like it's worth it in the long run anyway, because you will have your mini twist in for a while before you do this again. All right, and I'm gonna go in with my Tangle Teaser brush, and being very gentle, I'm gonna brush this section out to help remove the tangles and the shedding. And while I have this section out, I also try and clean up the parts that is around it. I don't know how that happens, but I guess when the twist loosens up, some of the hair gets tangled up with the other sections. Once I'm done detangling this whole entire section, it's what she looking like. And then I'm gonna go ahead and retwist this section. Alrighty, we got one twist down and a bunch more to go. I'm gonna repeat this entire process all over my head. Girl, it is almost 1:30, so it's 1:28. I'm giving myself 4 hours 2 hours on this side, 2 hours on the other side, and we'll see how long this is gonna take. Alrighty, so this is what my hair is looking like after completely moisturizing and retwisting. I am going to go ahead and style my hair, or style my twist, into a halo mini twist style, and I think it's so cute. I did it around the New York Fashion Week. I haven't done a halo twist in years. That is why I started doing it on my mini twist. So you just do it exactly how you would do if your hair was out. It is a little easier to do it with the mini twist because you just gather your sections and just go ahead and twist all the way around. I always split my hair in half when I do my halo twist, and they don't take long at all. And then I just grab some hair from the right side of my head, so it's not no completely clean part, and twist all the way down. And go ahead and twist this front. And I try my best to make sure I grab all of the twists, because we do not need any twists left behind. And try my best to make sure the ends of the twist, the ends of the mini twist, don't stick out. So I try and twist it hard so everything is secure. I just think this is so cute, like a twist inside of a twist inside of a twist. Now I'm gonna just go ahead and pull everything so it is loosened up, not too tight. So we got some volume going on, some kind of shape. And then I'm gonna take my bobby pins and bobby pin this section to the back of my head. And I do the same exact thing on the other side, the section, so it can be a little bit more puffier and loosen up. And then I'll go ahead and bobby pin it to the back of my head. Okay, you know what would have been extra cute? If you take some of your mini twists out and put perm rods on them so it can, you know, look like it's curls within the halo twist. I think I'm gonna do that next time. But this is what the final hairstyle is looking like. Something cute, something quick, something simple, okay? But anywho, that is my complete wash day routine when it comes to my mini twist, wash day, and retwist, using some of my favorite women black owned hair products. So she is good, okay? This is gonna last me a couple more weeks because I will be taking these out pretty soon. I am missing my fro, okay? I am missing my fro. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what part of this video was your favorite down below in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next one.